World Coconut Day. World Coconut Day is observed on 2nd September 2020 with an to create awareness about the importance of the coconut across the world. Coconut production plays an important role in the national economy of India. According to figure published by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, India is one of the world's largest producer of coconut, with a turnout of 11,706,343 tons in 2018. The Philippines is the world's second largest producer of coconuts. Indonesia overtook it in 2010. The production of coconut plays an important role in economy, with 25% of cultivated land used for coconut plantation and approximately 25 to 33% of population reliant on coconuts for their livelihood. As per 2014-15 statistic from Coconut Development Board of Government of India, 4 southern states combined account for almost 90% of total production in the country: Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and Andhra Pradesh. Other states such as Goa, Maharashtra, Odisha, West Bengal and those in the northeast account for the remaining production. What is the history of World Coconut Day? World Coconut Day was established in the year 2009. The day is observed to celebrate the formation day of APCC, which function under the aegis of the United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific. Coconut. It is one of the most useful trees in the world and is often referred to as the tree of life. It is an indispensable food item for the people of South and Southeast Asia and the Pacific Islands. The palm coconut can reach more than 100 feet in height. The lifespan of palm coconut is about 75 to 100 years initially. After planting, it takes 4-5 years to begin their first produce. A single coconut palm has the ability to yield 20 to 150 mature nuts in a year. What are the health benefits of coconut? Coconut is a complete food rich in vitamins, calories and minerals. A coconut carrying 400 gram edible meats and around 30 to 150 ml of water hold on the daily required initial including mineral, vitamins and energy of an average sized individual. Uses of coconut. It provides food, fuel, cosmetics, fogs, medicines and building materials, among many other uses. Nutrition. Per 100 gram serving with 354 calories, raw coconut supplies a high amount of total fat, especially saturated fat, moderate content of carbohydrates and protein. Coconut water. It is consumed throughout the humid tropics and has been introduced into the retail market as a proceeds sports drink. Coconut water can be fermented to produce coconut vinegar. Per 100 gram serving coconut water contains 19 calories and no significant content of essential nutrition. Coconut oil. Another product of the coconut is coconut oil. It is commonly used in cooking, especially for frying. How to celebrate World Coconut Day? World Coconut Day is celebrated by raising awareness about the health and commercial benefits of coconut. On this day, the entire world celebrates one of nature health artistic food. In India, Coconut Development Board celebrates World Coconut Day. Thank you.